Hi, good morning. Happy Junior Friday, Friday Eve. I hope everybody had a restful evening. It's warm. I'm gonna start with the weather. It is warm out there. And I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee, my cold coffee this morning. Peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. I have some fruit that I'm gonna be going to my daughter's this weekend. And I'm trying to finish up. I told my sister, I said, come up. I don't know. I bought cucumbers and everything, tomatoes. I don't know why I did that. I knew I was not going to be here. So I told her, just come up and help yourself. So I hope she does. Because we have, different tastes in foods. You saw we went to the Italian restaurant. She got the branzino and I got a pizza. So we're different. Though we did share the mussels and the Caesar salad. We shared that. And I'm a white wine, she's a red wine. And we're sisters. Get something good to eat today. And stay hydrated. We got birthdays today. Today's Sonny Bono. I was thinking I wanted to pick him for the song, but Sharon really sang most of the songs. He was just like her background singer or something. So I said, no. The birthday deserves, I don't know, whatever. It's Ice-T's birthday today, John McEnroe. He's the one that made me look at tennis. He was a character and a half. I hope he still is, because he was trouble. And he was married to, I don't think they're still married. Ryan O'Neal's daughter, Tatum. She was so cute. It's Janice Dickinson's birthday. I used to buy every magazine that she was on the cover of. I mean, talk about beautiful woman. And then, she had a rough turn in her life, but I'm glad to see her back. The Green Book fellow that won the Academy Alley, it's his birthday. Pete Willis from Def Leppard, James Ingram, who I picked, and we lost him a couple of years ago, not too long ago. Marquette M. Hemingway. She was a troubled soul. We lost her too. Elizabeth Olsen, so cute. I had no idea that she was the Olsen sisters' sister. I think she's in the Marvel movies, in those action movies. LeVar Burton, The Reading Rainbow, and of course Roots. William Catt. Who remembers William Catt? Who remembers the Great American Hero show? I loved that show. It was like a sitcom. I love that guy. He was very funny, William Catt. And that's it. I'm sure there's plenty more that I forgot. And tomorrow is Friday. Friday is loading. Please hold on. I hope everybody has plans for a nice weekend. I'm going to be with my boy Tucker. So that's why I'm just trying to clean up. Where's the fork? I'm trying to clean up my refrigerator. I still have fruit. The freezer, I don't care. But like the tomatoes and the cucumbers, you gotta eat them, you gotta eat them within a couple of days, I think. Got my hard-boiled eggs. Came out pretty good, I thought. So everything's budding out there. All the garden's budding. You know, what you thought was dead, you forgot about. You thought, man, this thing is dead. Start to bud. So even if you lost all hope, don't give up, because you'd be surprised what buds, what pops. You know, that hope pops up. You know, you can't keep hope down, which is a good thing. Enjoy your day. Get something good to eat. I wanted to thank TikTok Tony for, she had given me a gift certificate for Palermo. And when my sister suggested lunch, I knew Palermo was her favorite restaurant, and I remembered the gift certificate. And we went and enjoyed lunch thanks to Tony. And so everybody have a great weekend. And she made me smile, Tony, and you can make anybody smile. You know, it's you know, share a joke, share a compliment. I like your earrings. You know what I mean. Your glasses. Make little things make up people feel good. Little acknowledgments. Okay, thanks, and I'll talk to you later.